to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. Mamlambo sings praises to Hleziphi and Sbu for staging the play successfully. Screwdriver and Mzwezwe black up the courage to apologize to Prince. Nkazimulo takes Kwanjinji daily cash and keep it on Tuesday. Nkazimulo's reign of terror begins. Prince and Sipho break their silence. Sbu unsuspectingly reveal a secret on Wednesday. Nomaswazi is hell-bent on breaking through Kazimulo to uncover the truth. The gossip queens of Kwamashu are on the quest to find their Hlobo's whereabouts. Prince gets a surprise visit on Thursday. Nomaswazi put her heart on the table and pleads with Kazimulo for help in locating Babo on Friday. Kazimulo discovers useful documents that may assist in tracking Babekazi. Madongwe receives a second chance from Prince. Mzamo wants nothing to do with writing his book, while Sbu makes a proposition that put a smile on Bata's face. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.